Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character 格 step by step. I will first write it in regular scripts, then following one word and one sentence. Now, let's write. 格 格 frame standard to comb for example 网格 grid mesh within an agent, you can perform any calculation or operation on grid data. 在代理中，可以对网格数据执行任何计算或操作。Within an agent. You can perform any calculation or operation on grid data. 在代理中可以对网格数据执行任何计算或操作。在代理中 within an agent. 可以 you can 对网格数据 on grid data 执行任何计算或操作。Within an agent, you can perform any calculation or operation on grid data. 在代理中，可以对网格数据执行任何计算或操作。My daily handwriting on the character 格格 frame standard to comb 网格 grid mesh. Within an agent, you can perform any calculation or operation on grid data. 在代理中可以对网格数据执行任何计算或操作。格 Please comment any words or sentence with the character 格 I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.